Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log in to the Fashion Nova app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. After the Play Store app is open up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in FASHIONNOVA and hit enter. After the Fashion Nova app appears on your screen, click on the install button which is located on the right hand side of your screen. Once the Fashion Nova app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, go ahead and open it up. Once the home page of the Fashion Nova app opens up on your screen, on the top left corner of your screen you'll see the shop menu bar. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the shop option, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the My Account option. Once you click on the My Account option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the Fashion Nova app. I hope this video helped you to log into the Fashion Nova app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.